I'm back again. Sorry I haven't done any videos in a while. I had moved and didn't have the money to go out and buy sweepers. I think I left you guys with a cordless sweeper and the statement saying that you would be seeing more cordless sweepers on my channel. So this is what I'm starting with. I have a Bissell Bolt 2-in-1 lightweight cordless lithium-ion vacuum cleaner. As far as the features go on the box, it's got a on and off brush roll, rinseable filter, edge bristles, 180-degree swivel steering, easy to remove and clean brush roll, and quick charge battery, as well as a two-way folding handle and a removable hand vacuum. Go ahead and get this out of here. It says also on the side of the box it's got 15 minutes of charge. And then it's got your Bissell slogan, home to a deeper clean. I paid $49 for this before tax. We got this store in town called Ollie's, and they sell the vacuum cleaners they sell have been factory refurbished, meaning that somebody sent them in due to a warranty issue, and Bissell sent them a new vacuum cleaner. They refurbished this one, so it's basically like a brand new vacuum cleaner. It just says refurbished. It says the contents of the box are the body, the foot, the crevice tool with the dusting brush, and the charger. I usually open the vacuums at the store before I bring them home to be sure that everything is there so I do not have to take it back. And I did not do that with this one, so let's hope there are no surprises waiting on me as far as anything broken or something missing. First out of the box we have what they consider the body of the vacuum cleaner. There's the folding handle. There's a little trigger on this side that causes fold it both ways to where you can clean under your furniture or fold it backwards for storage. The vacuum itself lifts off. There's these two little purple buttons on either side that don't do what I thought they did. The vacuum lifts off without pressing a button. You just got to grab the vacuum and lift it off. I don't know if it's got any charge on it. We'll figure that out in just a moment here. That your dust cup release is there. Power button for the hand vacuum is right there. It's got washable filter, as it says on the box, and that's how you empty the dustbin there. Now, if I can get this back together. Notice on the handle, unlike a lot of cheaper vacuums, you actually got the power switch for your suction and your hand vacuum, as well as the on and off for your brush roll. Next thing out of the box is the roller head itself. Some more cardboard. It's actually got rubber or nylon bristles on it. Supposed to be good for your hard floors. They call it a pet brush. The rubber is supposed to be better on pet hair than a conventional vacuum cleaner roller. The little red lever here to remove the brush roll. Pull that lever. This little black one will come up. The brush roll slides out so you have full access to clean the roller brush. You get it, the roller back in place. There's a little knob you gotta line up. Line that knob up, latch your black lever, and lock it in place with the red one. This floor head does not fit on the hand vacuum itself. You can only use the floor head when you've got it in stick vac mode. And it latches onto there. It's got the swivel. It's just a swivel neck similar to what you would find on a shark, and a foot pedal release. It stands up on its own. Or it will stand up on its own. It's got the hand vac in it probably, but it does not now. The instruction manual tells you how to operate the vacuum cleaner. It comes with any vacuum you buy. There's nothing in there. Here we've got the crevice tool and dusting combo brush. This will only fit on the end of the hand vacuum. Pops in there. This way. The brush will slide out there. This is just, you really can't, this brush is pretty well useless. The crevice tool would be very useful, but the brush itself, I don't see how you could use that for any kind of dusting. It is a very soft bristle dusting brush, so I guess cleaning off your computer keyboard or something, you could use it for that. And then you got the charger. It's just a little black box, plugs into the back of the vacuum cleaner right here. And then this end hooks into your wall socket. Let's see if it's got any charge on it. It does. It actually does have really good suction power. Actually does have really good suction power on it compared to most cordless units. Let's see. Use this thing. Right. Foot pedal release there. On and off brush. Button on the handle. This one shuts your brushes off. That one shuts the unit off. The brushes automatically reset and turn on anytime you shut the unit off. That's here made by the hamsters. See if we can pick it up. Only having 15 minutes of charge. This is obviously not made to replace a full-size upright vacuum cleaner. It's more made for quick cleanups, things like that there. It picked up that stuff. Don't seem to have picked up anything else. There's a little bit of hair in there. Could have been from the hamster's cage as well. Let's see if we use a crevice tool to sweep this stuff out of the cage itself. As you can see, it's got plenty of suction for your quick cleanups. It's still operating at full suction power with all that dirt in there. Let's empty it out here real quick. Put that in place. Just take a trash can and tap out your filter. If you need to clean the inside filter, which, as you can tell, you'll have to do now and then. Twist it to unlock it. And then to lock it back into place, you just twist it back into place and then it locks. Alrighty guys, thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. And if you see any other vacuum, or if you know of any other vacuum cleaners you would like to see on my channel, be sure to drop a link in the comments or let me know you'd like to see them on my channel, and I will do my best to get them on there. I'll see you guys at the next video. Thanks for watching.